It's summer. Whether you are ready to leave, to explore wonderful seaside resorts, or relaxing mountain landscapes, or if you want to rest in the tranquility of home. Today, we will see how to prepare something that you will hardly be able to give up in the heat of summer days: tasty ice pops. Made with real fruit pulp, water and brown sugar, a delicacy. Today, we will make ice pops with peach and raspberries, but the same recipe can be modified with the fruit you like best. The proportions always remain the same. So, let's get started. Let's prepare together ice pops with peach and raspberries. You need 100 grams of pureed raspberries, 250 grams of pureed peaches. For the raspberry syrup, you need 25 grams of brown sugar and 65 grams of water. For the peach syrup, you need 65 grams of brown sugar and 165 grams of water. And then, you need some ice pop molds, like these, but you can really use what you have at home. Empty yogurt jars and sticks are fine too. Let's start with the peach syrup. In a saucepan, pour 165 grams of water and 65 grams of sugar. Cook on a low heat, stirring often, until the sugar has dissolved. Pour into the peach puree, and mix. Using a funnel, pour the peach puree into the molds. Do not reach the edge. Now, put the ice pops in the freezer for about an hour. In this way, you can make 2 slightly variegated layers. If you prefer 2 more distinct layers, keep more in the freezer, but be careful that it does not solidify too much, otherwise you will not be able to insert the stick. Meanwhile, make the raspberry syrup. The procedure is the same. Pour the sugar into the saucepan with the water, heat over low heat, stirring often, then pour the water with melted sugar into the puree, mix and let it cool. Take the ice pops out of the freezer, and pour in the raspberry syrup. Now, close each mold with its stick and lid. Place in the freezer for several hours. When it is time to eat the ice pops, pass the molds under a hot water for a few seconds, in order to extract these beauties. And, if you have some syrup left over, don't worry, you can make delicious fruit ice cubes, to add to lemonade, or iced tea. And here is the result, an explosion of taste and colors. And with the scents of peaches and raspberries still in the nostrils, the whole team of Natural Remedies wishes you a beautiful summer.